So let's talk about the air filter. And I don't have all the answers here. I'm kind of proposing the question. So how often should one clean the air filter? I really don't know. When we worked in the woods, we would cut all day long, refill the saw, and in the evening, pretty much clean the saw, which did include checking the air filter. But that was all day cutting, steady, tank after tank, at least, I would think 3 or 4 fill-ups, maybe not, because you're cutting them down, you're maybe limbing them. It's not like you're cutting steady necessarily, but it was, it was all day though too. So yesterday I took it apart and it was embarrassing. This was it was an 1/8 inch to approaching probably the 1/4 inch of stuff in some places. It was bad. I couldn't remember when I cleaned it last. Was it 10 tanks ago? Was it 3 tanks ago? Was it 2 tanks ago? Probably not 2. But really I wasn't sure. I didn't think it was that long ago I cleaned it. But it was really bad. So today I ran 1 tank yesterday and I thought I'm going to take it apart and just look at it. And there was some dust on here. By the way, paintbrush seems to work pretty darn good. I'm not taking it off this time because there wasn't much here to start with, but I brushed it off. And if we go in here, there doesn't really appear to be anything there. Very little, if anything. So I think we're good. So the question is, how often? I guess maybe I need to do it every couple tanks. Maybe it depends on what I'm cutting. Like right now I'm doing a lot of ripping because we're working on the big tree. Maybe it depends on, is it dry wood? Is it wet wood? Is it freshly cut trees? I don't know. So anyways, that's the question. And if you're doing it, I really kind of like this brush. Yeah, an air hose will also work, but a lot of times I don't have an air hose next to me where I'm cleaning it. So on the other saws, I took them off, brushed it really good, and then tapped them on a hard surface, and all the loose stuff just came right down. So that seemed to be the method that worked really good. This one, when I opened it up, this one's kind of easier because it's flat. The other one's got a lot of ridges in it, so it's harder. Okay, so clean your air filter. It's really important because the gas needs air to burn. So, although I didn't notice a difference in the sawing. This saw seems to run really good even with a clogged air filter. But that's probably not true. It probably uses more gas. So clean the air filter.